EFCO Deck system has just a few major elements. There are 3 sizes of telescoping steel posts, L1, L2, and L3, which have the flexibility to accommodate various floor heights in a project from 76 to 180 inches. Using the patent applied for load release pin gives a quick load release of the shore post. The pin, along with the sleeve nut adjustment, will allow overlap between the different post lengths. EFCO Deck is a system that allows you to assemble your shoring with a post spacing of up to 6 feet by 8 feet. A good reference for the heart of the system components is EFCO's catalog EFC 1015. The 8-foot secondary beam span is an excellent advantage compared to some other systems. When it comes to moving carts of shoring equipment around on the poured deck, the extra room makes it easier. The wider post spacing also means fewer posts and pieces to cycle from pour to pour. Load capacity will depend on the height and post spacing. The load release pin drops the post down 1/4 of an inch to allow easier stripping relief in the system. The drop head provides complete stability of the shore post during stripping of the primary and secondary beams, and lowers quickly for smooth removal of the formwork. Lightweight aluminum primary beams are designed for easy, safe, and fast handling. The primary beams come in 2 lengths, 4-foot and 6-foot. There's also a 10-foot primary beam that can only be used in a cantilevered configuration and is used properly for exterior cantilevers to support working platforms. Only one end connects directly to a drop head, and a second shore must be positioned midway to carry the beam. To use the 10-foot primary beams, you must follow the project shoring erection drawings and your own project engineer's inspections and instructions. Lightweight galvanized steel secondary beams have an embedded plastic nailing strip that will not shrink, crack, or splinter over time, which can be used to fasten plywood to the beams. The secondary beams come in 4-foot, 6-foot, and 8-foot lengths. Again, the components of the EFCO Deck system can be easily recognized and specified using EFCO's catalog number EFC 1015, including capacities and weights. A U-head bracket is available and can be attached to the top of the EFCO Deck post. This can be used to provide support for a single or a pair of EFCO Z-beams extra strength stringers if needed for special applications. This may be done to integrate with the EasyDeck system or to support greater loads. The tripod can be very helpful to offer support to the post in the initial setup of EFCO Deck.